Yeah, up and gunning. Now the morning, yeah. Farm life, you see it? This is the cleanup. Gotta clean up the farm. Farm get mashed up bad. The whole place. Sure enough. See it, the whole place is devastated and licked down. We're picking up the pieces of all the destruction. Can't get up and show no wagwan still. I gotta get up and show no wagwan, but I tell you, a lot of destruction on the farm. But we just have to pick up and do what we gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Build it back bigger and better. So it's what it is. We don't look at problems. We find solutions. You see it? So that's the thing there. So we just a whole of vibes in the morning. Just I watch the sky and them up there so I fly around. I don't know if you can see them, but yeah, we can see them clear as day. Oh yeah man. Yeah, the dog them a bark. You see it? But yeah. They just put it back together. Put in some work in the morning. Just take a break. Burn a spliff and all a little vibes. You see it? That's how we do it. You don't know. So big up everybody out there who survived the hurricane. You don't know. You have to stay strong. Rebuild. Whatever you lost, you lost. And whatever you gain, you gain. You see it? So it's a winning lose situation. So it is what it is. So we just have to pick up the pieces and just move on. But you don't know. Big up on yourself a long time, you know. Come on the video and show on the wagwan, show on the farm, everything like that. The farm nice man, the farmer get back up the way it's supposed to get back up, kinda clean it up and kinda look like it promising. Very, very promising. So we got everything here. So we're good, you know. And we not watch no face. We not beg nobody nothing. You see it? So we just do what we have to do. So that's a little reasoning. I yell you up and I say, yo, big up on the damn self. Up and gunning. Farm life, bush life, cottage life.